Welcome to Luvlines.
On ako ng microphone. Naririnig ba ako? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Luvlines live streaming from Caloocan City, Philippines. Signing on. Nasa na ba? Ay, sorry. Ayan. Sorry. Wordscape style. But before anything else, let me demo on this screencast live stream at Luvlines. Yeah. Okay, magde-demo tayo just how I do my live stream. This is my screen. Ayan, nakikita niyo aking screen. And, oh no, new tab. New tab tayo. And, pasok muna ako sa YouTube. Studio live stream. Ayan. Live stream. Wait. Ayan. I'm live. Public. Monetization on. Restrictions. None. So, edit ko yung live stream. The pencil. The pencil. Let's talk, chill, learn, wordscape style. Okay. So, let me edit. Pindutin ito. Customization. Live chat replay. Subscribers. Gawin nating any duration. Yeah, that's any duration. And then, save. Save. Bubuksan ko yung PC. Okay. It's saved na. And then we go back to the, back. Back to the live stream. Susana Marihan Pride, single mom. Maraming salamat po sa like. And bubuksan ko yung PC. Ayun. Susana Marihan Proud, single mom is premiering. Doon ka pa ba? Okay. Dito tayo. Okay. Here. Yan. Tapos na yung premiere pala. Patapos na pala magpunta ka also. And then we focus on live stream and let YouTube insert ads for me, for you. Turn on auto ad. Okay. Turn on. And YouTube will insert ads. Okay. YouTube will insert ads. Maraming salamat po, Susana Marahon, proud single mom. Thank you sa like. Okay, that's all. And pwede na tayong gonna make a highlight. So this is how you make a highlight. Highlight ko na tong aking live stream on how, cancel ko muna. we will do the highlight of the live stream. Yung paano mag-edit and all. Maraming salamat yan. Highlight ko to, highlight of the video. Yan, pwede tayong, look, you can add ads, yan, $sign, or you can post the ads. And then this one for highlight. Okay, let's create the highlight now. And I'll see you afterwards for the games. I'll see you afterwards for the games. Okay, let's do the highlights. That's how you create, how we